can I give you a little Matt Easton? This is not good and I'm going to hell. All right, so if you guys are also going to hell, it's going to be hot. Look for me. Okay, I had the same problem about 20 years ago with 3 different companies I worked for. Another thing that I did, well, allegedly, okay, don't tell anybody I did this. I figured out who the hell that parasite was. I learned as much as I could about him, and then I called, who the heck was it? I called somebody like Josh. What does Josh do for a living, guys? Anybody remember what Josh does for a living? I'll remind you. He's a recruiter. And I would say, you know, there's this guy in Honduras, Javier Gutierrez. Guy's awesome. Heard great things about him. I know he might be looking for something with a little better comp. I know he's trying to get into a different role with the yeah, hey, you should really talk to this guy. He's a rock star. I was responsible for finding new jobs for not 1, but 3 people that were really giving me a difficult time. I just put them in a different job at a different company. Problem solved, right? So if it's the same rep, I'm just saying, don't tell anybody. Quietly find their LinkedIn profile and do them a favor. Let's go get them a new job. Get them a new double their base salary. I don't give a crap. Let's get them out of your patch, right? Like if this was wrestling, let's get them the hell out of our bracket, right? I want you out of my bracket, dude. So here, let me send you some weight gainer for free. You get out of here, right? It works. It's worked for me 3 times. All you have to do is call the recruiters that you know. Be like, dude, I got a rock star. This guy's doing great. Right? Don't tell them how you found out. I would find this person a job. They'll be able to get hired. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.